In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Drive to Slack. Integrating these two powerful tools can significantly streamline your workflow, enabling seamless sharing and collaboration. It's perfect for those of us who rely on both platforms daily. Let's dive in and make sure you're set up for success. First, open Slack on your desktop. For this process to work smoothly, you'll need access to a Slack workspace. Ensure you have the right permissions needed for adding integrations. Otherwise, you might want to reach out to your workspace administrator. Once you've got Slack open, head over to the left-hand side of the interface and look for the plus icon, typically located next to the app's header. Go ahead and click on that icon. This takes you to the app directory within Slack. It's like an app store for Slack, where you can find various tools and integrations to enhance your Slack experience. In the search bar at the top of the app directory, type in Google Drive. As you type, suggestions will appear, and you should see Google Drive popping up. Click on it. You'll be taken to the main page for the Google Drive app within Slack. Here you'll see a brief overview of what this integration can do, which is quite handy if you're new to using Google Drive with Slack. Look for the button that says Add to Slack or something similar, and click on it. You'll be prompted to confirm the installation. Don't worry, this is just Slack's way of making sure you really want to proceed. Next up, you need to authorize Google Drive to connect with your Slack account. A new window will pop up asking you to log into your Google account. Choose the Google account you want to link with Slack. It's crucial to select an account that you actively use for both platforms, as this will allow for more efficient management of your files and communications. Once you've logged in, Google will ask you to authorize Slack to access your Google account information, including your Drive files. Carefully read through the permissions to understand what is being granted. If you're happy with everything, click on the Allow button. This step is crucial as it grants the necessary permissions for the integration to function smoothly. After successfully authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Slack. To test if everything is set up correctly, try sharing a Google Drive file in one of your Slack channels. You can do this by clicking on the paperclip icon in the message box and selecting Google Drive from the options that appear. Choose a file and share it with the channel. If your file uploads without a hitch, congratulations. You've successfully added Google Drive to your Slack workspace. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can now enjoy the benefits of having Google Drive integrated into your Slack, making file sharing and collaboration easier than ever. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.